Hi guys, and a big welcome to my channel. It's Caris Anderson here, your coach, and today I'm going to take you through a lovely back stretching video. So lower back pain is a complaint I hear a lot from women. We're sitting down at work, we're picking up our kids, and it can really start to get tight in our lower back. We have some lovely stretches today for the lower back, and including the glutes and the hip flexors as well, as that can be a cause of back pain when they are tight. Another thing to note is to make sure you are using your core correctly, even when you're picking up your kids or especially when you're working out. So if you're not sure how to do that, please check out this video of how to use your core correctly. And if you're not subscribed yet, why not hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss a workout or a session with me. And let's get started with this lovely back stretch. So we're going to start with some cat-cow, so you're down on all fours, making sure your hips are over your knees, your shoulders are over your wrists, and we send the belly button upwards as we really curve off the back and drop the head, and then drop the belly and lift the head. So we're going to breathe in and breathe out and relax. Really relax that lower back. Push back into our lovely child's pose. I like to open up my knees here, aim for my chest to come down onto the floor. Just rest your forehead down. Really open up your chest and sink down to feel a lovely release in your lower back. Deep breaths. We're just going to thread one arm through as you stretch the other one away in front of you, keeping your butt up in the air as we take a nice twist to release the back and the neck. And let's switch that over to the other side. So reach out in front of you, take a big twist, keeping that butt up in the air and breathing and relaxing here. Let's come up now, and we're going to put one foot forward and stretch out our hip flexor. Often these become tight when we sit down a lot, and reach up here to really increase that stretch in the front of the leg. You're dropping your hip down to the mat as far as you can, making sure that that knee doesn't go over the ankle, the front knee. Just breathe and relax into this stretch. And let's switch over to the other side. Make sure your hips are square and level. And then push down, sink that hip down and stretch up to really get that gorgeous stretch all the way from the front of the leg up to the tummy. Breathe and relax here. Amazing. Okay, now we're just going to come down onto our back. As we take a big spinal twist. So just dropping one knee down to one side and then opening up the body to the other side. That's stretching the chest, stretching the lower back, and you may even feel it in your glutes if you have tight glutes. And just breathe and relax here. switch to the other side. Okay, coming out of that now, we are going to cross one leg over the other and stretch our glutes. So even though this isn't a back stretch, it's still very important when you have lower back pain to make sure that your glutes aren't over activating and that you don't have any knots in there and they stay nice and relaxed. And over to the other side. Pull that leg into your chest. Okay, now we're just going to take a happy baby. So grab the inside of your feet, making sure your hips still stay down on the mat. And as you pull those feet, so your knees are coming down towards the floor, you should feel this open up your lower back and also stretching the inner thigh. Rock around a bit here, just enjoy that lovely release in your lower back. Now taking one leg, pulling down that knee to your armpit as much as you can. I'm pulling on the sole of my foot here, making sure that that other hip tries to stay down on the mat. And then we're just going to straighten that leg out. Now if you can't hold onto your foot, you're going to hold onto the back of your leg. But make sure you don't bring the pelvis up. Keep your hips and your bum down on the mat as we just straighten out that leg. Stretch out our hamstring, and you should feel this stretch coming into your lower back if you are tight there. And let's do the same on the other side. So first of all, pulling that knee down towards our elbow, making sure that we don't lift the opposite hip at all. Squeezing that down as much as you can. And then pushing up, holding onto our foot as we stretch out the back of our leg and keeping that hip down. And remember, you can hold onto the back of your leg here if you can't hold onto your foot. Let's hug those knees into the chest now and just roll around in little circles. Just massage that lower back into the mat, one way then the other way. And bringing your head to your knees, getting a good stretch down your neck. You can rock a little bit here if you want to. And let's elongate and stretch out as long as we can here. Stretching your toes away, stretching your fingers away, and really enjoying that feeling of elongating and stretching through your spine. Let's slowly come on up. Well done. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully your back is feeling nice and stretched and you are feeling ready to take on the world. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you hit that like button because it really helps my channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.